Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and Chris Marsliak, the CEO of Crypto.com, put out a very interesting tweet today, getting some people in the comments on his Twitter asking the question, is there a potential partnership between Elon Musk and Chris Marsliak and Crypto.com brewing? Or some people were saying, is Chris Marsliak a big bag holder of Tesla? People are starting to speculate in the chat. I just want to acknowledge the tweet. I personally don't think that's maybe he holds some Tesla. I don't know if there's a partnership coming between Crypto.com and Tesla. But I just got to acknowledge it because there's some conversations going on in Twitter about this. Well, let's take a peek at Crypto.com coin. What's going on right now? Something else that I'm looking out for, a possible exchange listing that might be coming for Crypto.com. I've alluded to a little bit. We'll talk more about that in this one, guys. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you like the content, guys, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe because we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, and we're only like 500 subscribers away, so that's coming up really, really fast, guys. Let's get into it. The market, a little bit boring today. Bitcoin's doing all right, coming up a little. So is Ethereum, which is good to see. Crocoin, though, currently sitting down, still ranked number 35. Same old story, nothing new with Crow. But here's the story, guys. Elon Musk is getting talked about by Chris Marsliak. The next step in foundational AI models is learning from video. Elon Musk and Tesla have advantage over everyone else. Unique data set from the Tesla fleet, vertically integrated all the way to silicon level. And not financial advice, but when markets wake up to this, it's going to be supercharged NVIDIA type of situation. So he is bullish on Tesla stock. So the question is he trying to get, and just like if you look through all these, Chris is trying to get Elon to shout out CDC. Is he looking for a retweet? Is that what's really going on here? If so, I love it. It's just, why not? Let's just try to get some spotlight on Crypto.com. At the end of the day, if these meme tokens that have been going on, PSYOP and Ben and all these other ones have proved one thing, is that attention is key. So maybe that's what he's trying to do here, which is kudos to you for giving it a shot, Chris. We'll see if we get that retweet. But another thing that people are speculating is very, very interesting stuff. I'm trying to see. There you go. Tesla plus CDC partnership. Bullish. Let's go. Yeah, I don't think they're going to partner up, but it'd be cool to get a retweet. It'd be really cool to get a retweet. So, no, guy, I don't think there's a partnership going on here, but it's very interesting to see. I like to see Chris Marsliak putting out tweets like this. Just let's get some conversation going around Crypto.com. And leadership, right? A lot of people talk about CZ. I think that plays out really well for Binance. So I think this is an important thing for Chris Marsliak to start doing more, getting involved in Twitter, getting into the awareness piece of crypto, getting attention on Crypto.com and Cronos. Now, lately, we've seen Cronos has been trending on Twitter, which is great, but that's not enough. We need a lot more. So hopefully things keep going in the right direction for Crypto.com. When you look at Cronos, they're still growing at 220K followers on Twitter, which is incredible. This thing is only 2 years old at this point, which is just awesome. They launched in November. The Twitter started in July of 2021. But so many different things have happened. We've obviously got the burns coming. So I'm feeling good overall. But here's something that I do want to see fixed with Crypto.com, guys. When you go to CoinMarketCap and you look at where they rank Crypto.com, they rank it as number 19. Well, why? It's because of this trust score. But you go to the trading volumes, that's not necessarily accurate. Now, I got to note, the trading volume on Crypto.com is way less than Binance's for sure. But then you start to look at the trust score alone. Why does Binance have a trust score of 9.9 here? And if you rank by trust score, which is what we're ranked to right now, you know what? Actually, let's rank it there. If you rank by trust score, we don't even see Crypto.com up in this mix. Part of the reason I believe that is because Binance owns CoinMarketCap, and I believe they view Crypto.com as a major competitor. Now, why they don't do the same for Kraken and KuCoin and Bybit and Bitstamp and OKX and Bitfinex and Gemini, I have no idea. But if you look at CoinGecko, if you rank by trust score, they rank Crypto.com number 1, Binance US as number 3, and then Binance Global, it gets a 9 trust score. So this is very interesting to see there is a variety of opinions out there in crypto. I'd like to see crypto.com get its way up somehow, some way, with coin market cap, which I think is used more than CoinGecko. I do. So I think it's more significant. If you're trying to pick an exchange, this is probably an influencer. And I think it's kind of unfair that they do it this way. What they really should do is just rank it by amount of volume, because at the end of the day, this trust score is based on the confidence that CoinMarketCap team has that the volume reported by the exchange is legitimate. But we know that crypto.com has its reserves data available. They're one of the more trusted exchanges. When you look at reserves data, there you go. Crypto.com is one of the first 5 that you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First 6 you see. So now this brings me to the next question. Let's go. I'm going to talk about Ben for a second. This is a token everybody's talking about. If Crypto.com would list this token, I think that would be a very bullish thing for them. Why? Because then BitBoy Crypto and other YouTube influencers would then start talking more about Crypto.com. And he said there's going to be some more exchange listings. If you check out my video from earlier on some other major exchanges, my question is, could Crypto.com be one of them? He said something that they're looking for large volume. According to this, $110 million is the volume for Crypto.com. If you go from biggest to smallest, they don't make the top 15. BitBoy's been alluding to the top 15 being his target. So from that perspective, they're not a top 15. But by trust score on CoinGecko, they are one of the top 3. So I don't know why that just changed. They were number 1. So they're in the top, guys, which is very, very interesting. But then you look at CoinMarketCap, Crypto.com is not even close to the top in almost any ranking. No matter which way you cut it, they just don't even list them up high. They're not as big in terms of volume, I guess, as some of these others and weekly visits. So this is something that Crypto.com needs to grow. We need to see this continue to increase. It's crazy that the weekly visits will be 772,000 visits versus Binance's, what do we got? 12 million visits. And when you think about it, Binance has 140 million users. Crypto.com has about 80 million users right now. But I don't think this includes the app. So we need to see some of this get fixed, play out a little bit more. Who knows? Maybe that listing comes. Maybe it doesn't. Regardless, guys, they are a large player in this space. Cronos Chain is a top 10 DeFi project still. The coin is ranked number 35 in the overall market. And as a bull market comes, I'm still very bullish on this. No partnership with Elon Musk. We'll look out for a Bencoin listing on Crypto.com. Let me know if you like that, if you don't like that, if you think it's possible in the comments down below. Let me know if you're bullish, guys. That's all I got in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you here if you want to check it out. Peace.